Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this last video, we have discussed the lanthanide and actinide chemistry, that is F block elements. If you don't see the videos, please see those videos. And today's class, we have discussed about magnetic moment or magnetic nature. This is very important for SLST chemistry, NET, JE. Spin only magnetic moment depends upon number of unpaired electron, that is mu EF is equal to root over n into n plus 2. Here n is number of unpaired electron. If presence of unpaired electron means paramagnetic, the d orbital configuration is given here, that is d7 configuration. Here 3 unpaired electrons are present, so it is called paramagnetic. If there is no unpaired electron is present, then it is called diamagnetic. In D10 configuration, there are no unpaired electron present, so it's called diamagnetic. Now calculation of magnetic moment. Take an example Mn2+. Mn2+ has 3D configuration. So d orbital contain 5 electrons. The d subshells have 5 subshells, and each and every subshell contain 1 electron. Both are unpaired. So number of unpaired electron n is equal to 5. So root over of n into n plus 1, root over of 5 into 5 plus 1, in calculation the value is 5.92 Bohr magneton. So Mn2 plus have magnetic moment 5.92. In case of Fe2 plus, there are 3D6 configurations, and there are n is equal to 4, or there are 4 unpaired electrons. In this formula, root over of n into n plus 1, n is equal to 4, 4 into 4 plus 2 is equal to root 32, means 4.90 Bohr magneton. So magnetic moment of Fe2 plus is 4.90 Bohr magneton. If number of unpaired electron increases, magnetic moment increases. Now calculations and another example. Here the example given nickel 2 plus. Nickel 2 plus has 3D 8 configuration. So d subshells electron contents are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 unpaired electron present. So n is equal to 2. Mu EF is equal to root over of n into n plus 2 is equal to root over of 2 into 2 plus 2, root over of 8 is equal to 2.83 Bohr magneton. That is calculations of 3D orbital or nickel 2 plus magnetic moment 2.83. The trick to calculation of magnetic moment. When unpaired electron is 1, then mu is equal to 1.73 Bohr magneton. When unpaired electron is 2, then mu is equal to 2.83 Bohr magneton. When unpaired is equal to 3, mu is equal to 3.87 Bohr magneton. When unpaired electron is equal to 4, mu is equal to 4.9 Bohr magneton. When unpaired electron is equal to 5, mu is equal to 5.92 Bohr magneton. Please note down it. Now important characteristics is strong field ligand, this is very important. If strong field ligand is present and it is increases, then electron pair increases and unpaired electron decreases. If weak field ligands are present, then unpaired electron increases. Which is strong field ligand and those are weak field ligands? We upload a video already for strong field and weak field ligands. Please see these videos. Now we take an question from NEET 2021 recent examination. There is two lists, list 1 and list 2. List 1 contain coordination complex and list 2 contain magnetic moment. Please match the complex with their magnetic moments. Options are given here. Here Fe Cn whole 6. Here Cn is strong field ligand. Here H2O is weak field ligand. Cn is strong field ligand. H2O is weak field ligand. In the first compound are Fe Cn whole 6 3 minus. Oxidation state is X minus 6 is equal to minus 3, X is equal to plus 3. Fe Rn plus 3, since 3 D5 configuration. Now in D subcell, electrons occurs in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pair because strong field ligand is present. So number of unpaired is n is equal to 1. So magnetic moment is when n is equal to 1, magnetic moment is when n is equal to 1, magnetic moment is 1.73. Here 1.73 is 4. For 1 it is 4. Again option B is Fe with weak field ligand. So here Fe 2 in 3d5, Fe3 plus in 3d5 with weak field ligand. So unpaired electrons are present here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. For n is equal to 5, mu is 5.92. Mu is 5.92. For option 2, mu is 5.92. Now in case of compound C, Fe Cn whole 6 4 minus. Here Fe Rn plus 2 oxidation states, a D6 complex and Cn is strong field ligand. So electrons pair occur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Electron pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 0. So mu is equal to 0. Here mu is equal to 0 means this complex compound. Now Fe H2 whole 6 3 plus is 3. So A is 4, B is 1, B is 1, A is 4, B is 1, C is 2. So right answer is option 1. That's all. Please write the notes. Thank you for watching.